Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove the front bumper on a 2013 Honda CRV. Start out by removing these four clips on the top of the grille using a clip tool. Next we're going to take this grille off, and there is 6 clips holding the grille on, one here, 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 and one in each corner. Now this is the clip right here, and what we're going to be doing is taking a Phillips screwdriver and pushing on this tab right here on the top. And now they are pretty easy to break, so when you push, just be easy. If you do break them, you can get them off Amazon. I'll put a link in the description where you can get them. So what you're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver that's pretty lengthy, and also a piece of cardboard or anything that can be used to pry against. And we're going to use it to place it against the bumper to pry up on these clips, and it's just to cover the bumper so you don't scratch the paint on the front bumper. And there's 4 grooves cut underneath this front chrome strip, and it's a groove that's cut out so you can access the clip tab to push on. So using the cardboard, go across the front of the grill, popping all 4 clips loose. Now, once you have all 4 clips loose, take your cardboard and jam it between the grill and the base, and that keeps the grill from wanting to clip back in. And these next 2 clips are pretty tricky. They're in the corner here, positioned like this. And what we're going to do is come in behind the grill with our Phillips screwdriver and pry down on the tab on the front of the clip. When I'm recording this, you're not going to be able to see it. It's really dark back there. But when you do it, just get a flashlight and you'll be able to see the very tip sticking out right there. And just take your screwdriver and get on that front tab. And once your screwdriver's back there and you're prying up on the tab, you're going to want to use your other hand and pull out gently on the grill, and it'll pop loose. And then do the same on the other side. And when the clip releases, there's still another piece that holds the grill on, but it just pops right off when you pull on the grill. Next, come around to the side of the bumper and remove this Phillips screw and these 2 clips. This screw can be difficult to get to with a regular screwdriver, so I'm just using a Phillips bit on a hand ratchet. And then use a clip tool or a flathead to get these 2 clips out. And once you have the clips and screw out, just pull out on the front part of this molding and it will pop right off. And behind the molding here is a Phillips screw that holds the bumper on. Go ahead and take that out. And then using a plastic pry tool, you're going to want to pull out on the bumper and then get in behind there and pry out on it, releasing it from the spacer that's behind the bumper. And you're just pushing down on the slots that are cut in the bumper. and you're going to want to do this on both sides. Once you have both sides of the bumper loose, you're going to crawl underneath the front of the bumper and remove this clip here on the end using a clip tool. And then remove this bolt using a 10mm socket. Next, remove these 4 plastic clips on the front using your clip tool again. And then just continue taking out these just like we did on the other side. And now lastly, before taking the bumper off, come back around to the front of where the grill was, and there's another clip that holds the base of the bumper to this plastic bracket. Just take a small flathead and pry down on the clip and pull the base loose. See where it's pulled away, and that way when we pull the bumper off it doesn't break this clip. And do the same for this side. And next you're going to want to grab a hold of the edge of the bumper and you're going to want to pull directly forward. It may pull pretty hard because there's plastic clips underneath the headlight that hold the bumper on, but as long as you pull directly forward, you're going to be fine. And once it's popped loose, pick it up and lower it to the ground. And make sure if your vehicle has fog lights, you go around to each side and unplug them by pushing on the tab on the wiring harness and pulling out. And that's basically it. The bumper's off. Thanks for watching, guys.